Greeting. Welcome to our online IELTS platform. In this platform, you will find your login page. If you don't have any account yet, you can sign up here easily for about 1 minute. In this form, you will find a full name. In this case, please write your name correctly according to your ID card or any other important documents you may have, because this full name will appear in your automatic certificate. Then fill in your valid email address. Make sure your email is active because we will send notifications if your feedbacks and certificates are ready. I agree and click submit. Voila! You are successfully registered to our platform. Here, you will find a user dashboard. If you have questions that may trouble you, you may find it in the frequently asked questions. Or else, you will always find us in this following chat room. We are online and ready to help you. If you are ready with your test and if you have received your token through emails, just click Start Your Test. In this menu, you are required to write your token code with the exact same format that we have here. Make sure you write it uppercase letters and by following this following format. If your token cannot be used, then it may be caused by the token expiry date. Most of the tokens have an expiry date for up to 14 days. So if you haven't used your token for 14 days, then you need to purchase it again from our test portal. Here we have SCH test 3. Then click Start the test. In this test, you will encounter a listening test page. In this listening page, you can only play the audio once.
You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions.
And if you have answered all possible questions, including this short essay, just click Next to turn into the next page. You should also note that our system can detect multiple answers simultaneously. Let's say if you answered with answer or maybe answers, then your answer is still correct because we can detect multiple possible questions from various perspectives. Then if you have answered and checked every number of questions, click Submit Answers to transition to the next section, which is reading section. In the reading section, you will find multiple questions as well, and your timer will show up in this upper layer of the page. If the timer has shown 00, then your answers will be automatically submitted without you knowing. So make sure you complete all the tests before the timer is up. Then here we come, the writing section. The writing section requires you to write at least 150 words, for example. Then you can find your numbers of words you have written. If you are ready for the speaking section, click Go to Speaking section. In the speaking section, you will find this following page. This page will test your internet speed and the microphone usability. Make sure to click Record and click Stop. Make sure to click Record, and here you will find your recording, and if it's audible, no noise inside, then that's safe. If you find some noises or stutterings, please be sure to replace your microphone or move to the quietest place you have. In order to check whether your connection speed is adequate to cater the recording section, click Speed Check, and if your bandwidth or internet speed is below 1 megabit per second, then it is not adequate, and we recommend you to use a broadband connections, a cable connections, or a better internet service provider out there. If you're ready, just click Proceed to the speaking section. In the speaking section, you may find a written or even the recording of several questions. If you have read your questions, in order to answer the above questions, click Record, and if you have complete your answers, click Stop. We recommend you in order to record in every single point of questions. If there are 4 questions in one part, then you need 4 recording of answers. And if you have completed all questions previously, click submit and the system will automatically upload your audio. The uploading process may require some time depending on your internet speed. Congratulations, you have just completed all the tests. If you are satisfied with our service, please click this following links or please click this button. You should also note as well that our assessors will require maximum 10 office days in order to provide the most objective scoring and the best feedbacks you can find. So it will require some time for us to process your certificates and feedback. If you have received a notifications of email, then please log in again to your dashboard and click this following button. This pop-up will require you to fill in again your token, your test token code. Click generate and you will find this following page.